Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at where I am at, Family Dollar. This will be my first time. I know I look kind of this will be my first time in Family Dollar. I am like super excited by this, and I hope you guys, all my Family Dollar haulers that go to Family Dollar and I see their hauls and I'm like, oh, I should go. I'm here. I am here. So if you are interested in seeing what I see in my local Family Dollar, which I think we only have one or two, and this was not close to my house, I had to drive over here, a little mission. But if you're interested, then stay tuned because I'm getting ready to go in. All right, you guys. I am looking for the front door. And here it is. Okay, so there's the front door. I just walked in. I didn't know which row to go down, so I'm just gonna go down any row. These are $10.50 for these little lamps. That's kind of cute. I like the colors. They got those for $10.50. And then I see some of these up here. This is a pretty color. And these are $3.50. Little jars in gold, silver, and rose gold. They got some bigger lamps up there. Here's this, $6. I'm not gonna go through this whole store, you guys. Like, I can't show everything. Look at that. That's kind of cute. Reminds me of Big Lots. How much is that? $6 for this. This is $3.50. Little plaque. Oh, those are cute little statues up there for $15. Here's some wall decor, some butterflies and all of that, and these are $5 for that. Okay. This little marble vase. It's pretty heavy. No price on that one, but this set of 3 is $6. Here's a wall plaque with hooks for $12. Oh, that's nice. Large interlocking shelf. I like that. That's $15. This one, wall sets. Jewelry boxes. And interlocking wall cubes. Okay, so I'm just randomly going around looking at stuff. Okay, these are cute. They look like the ones that you can get at the Dollar Tree, but you only get one. This is a pack of 2, and it's $5. Lots of cute little canvas pictures. Oh, that is real cute. Look at that. It's a clock, but it's shaped like a mixer. Look at that. And that is $10. That's different. Let's see, lots of curtains. Most of them look like they say 14. Like that. And panels for $12.50. Okay, they got blinds. This is so crazy that I've never been in this store. It's like right now I'm feeling like it's a mix between Big Lots, the 99-cent store, and I don't know where else, but yeah, I'm getting all kind of different vibes up in here. Here's some pillows, $7, sheets, pillows, and rugs. I'm just giving you guys a feel for what's in here because, like I said, it's my first time, so their prices are a little higher. I hate these stores that call themselves like something dollar and then the prices are way more than $1. That's why I think I love Dollar Tree, because you go in there and everything's $1. What is this? Nail polish holder. I've seen those on the Wish app. Those are kind of cool. Let's see, some baskets. Let's just see how much this basket is, because they have these at Dollar Tree. Okay, those are $1. These are $1. And this big one right here says $7 for that laundry basket. And then here's a bunch of toys. Puppy dog pals. Here's some big pictures. These are $20. Oh, that one is kind of cool. That big wall clock for $15 with a cactus in there. Oh, that's cute. Take life one cup at a time. That's $10. And here's like a family portrait. Oh my goodness, look at that. I barely touched that picture and all these things fell. Let's put that back. There we go. Y'all all right? Oh, y'all just gonna hang out down there? Okay, no. You wanna go back with your folks? All right, I'll put you back. I guess these are little wild monkeys. They was trying to escape. Okay, y'all cool now? All right, don't be AWOLing no more. They just jumped all down to the floor. Okay, let's keep going. Oh look, they got panties. $5. Okay, Intimates Plus. $6. Some little bras for $9. Oh look, the same stuff at Dollar Tree. Everything is just like, as soon as I lightly grab it, it just kind of like comes off. So this is $1. This one is cute, and some lips. That one is $3. These are $3. And Valentine's Day cards. Okay, I'm gonna head around the corner and see what's over there. Oh wait, let me see these cups. These cups are $2. Oh, this one is cute. I like that one. I like that. What is this one? Like a heartbeat. They got some cute cups. Okay, one thing I will say is these rolls are really tight. Okay, look, I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell like the length, but they're really tight in this store. If you claustrophobic, you might not want to come down these rows. Look at this, that's cute. That's $2. Lots of dishes. Down this row, I see a lot of cleaning detergent and bags and kitchen stuff. They even have pots and pans. That's $12 for that. That frying pan is $10. Oh, this is a nice big pot. Stainless steel, 5 quarts for $14. That's cool. A plantain slicer, $4. Oh, look back here. They got kids' clothes. Cute clothes. Look at this little Mickey Mouse jacket. $8. It reminds me, that's what it reminds me of, Pick and Save. Back in the days. They got some cute shirts. That one is $9. That one is $6. They even got shoes. Oh, see? Everything falling.
Hey, just wash clothes, right?
Mm-hmm. That's a good one too. Smell good. And they got these shirts. $6. That. Did you guys hear him ask me if the washing powder washes clothes? I didn't want to put the camera in his face, but that was kind of funny. Be like, no sir, that washes cars. Trick, no. That would have just been being mean. Here's some scent boosters. I'm looking for the makeup. They got diapers and stuff. Let's see, how much are diapers? I'm so happy I don't have to buy diapers anymore. $7.50 for diapers, not bad. They got Huggies, $9. Pull-ups, $10.50. Okay, so you got all your basic stuff. Tide, $6.95. Tide Pods. Tide Pods, final price. I don't have a smart coupon, but that's not bad. If you're a couponer, you get those for $2.95. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm still on the hunt for the makeup. Let's try this way. Look, they got a price checker. They need one of these in the 99-cent store. That's cool. But they got men's clothes, jackets. Okay, all kind of stuff in here. Look at that hat. That just hopped out. Caught my attention. They have the little theft device on it. That's $5. I don't know if the theft device is needed, but I guess so.
Toothpaste.
Sequin eye mask. Reversible, is real puffy, for $2. They got jeans, $12.50. All kind of stuff. And here, finally found their beauty section. This is just lotions and body wash. $4.25. This little backpack is cute. $12. Cute little sandals. Those are $6. Oh, these are cute. Everything got the little devices on them. I don't see a price on that one. Okay, so I found the makeup. Let's see what they got. Peach eyeshadow palette by BYS. Not familiar with that brand, but that's $8. Here's a highlighting palette. Here's a basket full of stuff they're gonna put out. But let's see, they got Maybelline, $6. What is that? Kiss. I'm just kind of looking at the brands. They got Wet n Wild right there for $5. LA Colors. More LA Colors. New color foundation brush. They got some cute nails. These are the same ones you can find at Dollar Tree around Halloween in this box. And then they have their fingernail polish for $2. Here's some hair dryers for $15.50. There's a Conair right there for $10.50. What is this? 3-in-1 styler. I think that one is $20. Let's see, toilet paper. Oh, that's not bad. Is that the same rolls? Yep, that's the same thing I was getting at a 99-cent store before they sold out of them. So I might get a couple of those because I really like cottonelle, and $5 is not bad. They have the purple ones too. And then over here I am in the what am I trying to say? Medicine section. Cases of soda, 3 for $10, not bad. Food section, I'm not really gonna go down there. And then drinks and beverages and cereals and stuff. Okay, so my take on this store before I leave up out of here is it's cool. It's cool. The prices to me on a lot of the stuff kind of seem like over here by the food, it kind of seems the same as being in a grocery store. Like the prices don't look too much cheaper, and I'm not going all the way down there. As far as everything else, like I said, it reminds me of being in the 99-cent store or, you know, one of the other dollar stores or whatever. But it's cool. I'm not gonna knock it. I don't think I'll, you know, I'm not really too thrilled to be like, oh, I gotta get back to Family Dollar. Oh, the Dunkin' Donuts, those are $2.50. I usually get those out of Target for about that same price. But I'm not really too thrilled to be like, I'm gonna run back out here. I do like Family Dollar. I like all dollar stores, lots of sodas, but that's my take on it. So I'm actually happy that I came to see what it was about, and I can say I've been there and I've done that. So I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These hours are so long. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh look, they got the double stuffed Oreos, $4. That's not bad. Okay. Okay, see, let me get out of here now. All right, you guys, bye. Look at the parking enforcement trying to give somebody a ticket. They always rolling around here waiting. You want a view of San Diego? Nice sunny days all the time. All the time. Hot California. When it's snowing everywhere else, it's hot.